we'll explore Apple's new AI features and what they mean for our digital lives. Welcome back to the Clean Router channel. Today, we're diving into the latest advancements in technology and how they impact family safety online. Stay tuned to learn how Clean Router continues to be your trusted partner in navigating these changes. Apple has recently released its long-awaited AI features, branded as Apple Intelligence. This marks a significant step forward in integrating artificial intelligence into everyday use, enhancing both functionality and user experience. The launch includes updates to iOS 18.1 and the new iPhone 16, bringing advanced capabilities to millions of users. These features aim to make devices smarter and more intuitive, aligning with Apple's commitment to innovation. But with great power comes great responsibility, especially concerning online safety. At Clean Router, we ensure these advancements work in favor of protecting your family. One of the standout features of Apple Intelligence is its enhanced privacy controls. Apple has made strides in ensuring that user data remains secure and private, a crucial aspect in today's digital age. However, while these measures are robust, they are not foolproof. Clean Router acts as an additional layer of protection, ensuring that even the most sophisticated threats are kept at bay. Our technology filters and monitors internet activity, providing parents with peace of mind. By partnering with Clean Router, you can enjoy the benefits of Apple's innovations without compromising on safety. AI integration in everyday devices also brings personalized experiences to a new level. Apple's AI can now predict user behavior, offer suggestions, and automate tasks. This can significantly enhance productivity and convenience, but it also raises questions about exposure to inappropriate content. Clean Router's filtering capabilities ensure that AI-driven recommendations remain appropriate for all family members. Our system adapts to the evolving digital landscape, providing consistent protection. With Clean Router, your family can safely enjoy the personalized experiences offered by Apple Intelligence. The launch of iPhone 16 introduces advanced camera capabilities and seamless integration with AI. These features are designed to capture and enhance life's moments with stunning clarity. However, the increased connectivity and sharing options necessitate vigilant monitoring of online interactions. Clean Router ensures that your family's digital footprint is managed securely. We provide tools to control what content can be shared and with whom. This way, you can embrace new technology while maintaining control over your family's online presence. As AI continues to evolve, so do the threats that come with it. Malicious actors are constantly developing new ways to exploit technology, making it essential to stay ahead of potential risks. Clean Router has been at the forefront of online protection for 15 years, evolving alongside these threats. Our advanced filtering and monitoring systems are designed to counteract even the most sophisticated attacks. Trust in Clean Router means your family is always one step ahead. We take pride in our proactive approach to online safety. Apple's focus on user-friendly AI aligns with our mission at Clean Router to simplify online safety for families. Their new features are intuitive and designed to enhance daily digital interactions. However, the ease of use can sometimes lead to complacency regarding security settings. Clean Router integrates seamlessly with Apple devices, ensuring that safety measures are enforced without hindering usability. Our user-friendly dashboard allows parents to easily manage and customize their family's online safety settings. Together, we make online safety straightforward and effective. The increasing reliance on AI in homes means that family members of all ages interact with these technologies daily. It's crucial to educate children about the potential risks and how to navigate the digital world responsibly. Clean Router not only provides technical solutions, but also resources for digital education. We believe that informed families are safer families. By promoting digital literacy alongside robust protection, Clean Router helps foster a safer online environment. Empower your family with knowledge and protection from Clean Router. Apple's commitment to continuous improvement mirrors our dedication to advancing online safety. Their regular updates and new features aim to enhance user experience and security. We work tirelessly to update our filters and monitoring systems to address emerging threats. Our long-standing expertise in online protection ensures that we provide the best possible security for your family. The integration of AI into household devices opens up new possibilities for convenience and functionality. Apple's new AI features represent a significant leap forward, and Clean Router is here to ensure these innovations benefit your family without compromising safety. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below.